Hello everyone and welcome to Ayesha's herbal fruit and vegetable balcony Hortus. Hope you're doing well. My name is Ayesha and this is my channel. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you're most welcome, and you can support the channel by subscribing, commenting, turning on your bell icon for notification, and sharing the video. So on this small in this small balcony space, I do grow a variety of things as indicated in the caption of my channel. So fruit, herbs, vegetables. So today's video is a detailed tour of my makeover garden. Please stay tuned as I take you through the garden. So this is my coriander. It's looking very healthy. Smells amazing as well. And this is my pepper plants. It's doing well. It's doing very well. But I don't think maybe I might get some peppers out of it, so maybe I'll have to overwinter it. And this is some brassica seedlings preparing for the fall, just giving them an early start, looking like Willy Wonka. And this is my Malabar spinach. That's the Malabar spinach seedling. Yeah. So Malabar spinach is an alternative to your amaranth or your dasheen or spinach. And because it's a climbing vegetable, it's also good as an ornamental plant that will also feed you in your garden. So I urge all of you to plant some Malabar spinach in your garden. So they have the green one, and this is the red one. So this is the red one has red stalk at the bottom. So this is the red one. That's just by the way. So these are some tomato suckers, and obviously this is my gooseberry. I'm trying to see if I'll get them rooted, in there, to ensure a multiple supply of tomatoes in the garden. This is a tomato plant that is about to flower. Yeah, and I have some bean seedling in there. So this is my cacti plants. This one is gone. And yeah, in a blender. And this is my spider plant. This is my bean. This is my orange seedling. Have some 2 oranges growing in here as some bean. This is my borage plant. See how massive it looks in there. This is another borage plant in there. And this is my avocado plant, looking so tall and glorious in there. It seems to be very happy in there. Look. Yeah. Avocados are so easy to grow. If you would like me to show you how I grow my avocados, you can comment in the comment section below. And yeah, this is my cheeky parrot in there that beautifies my garden. This is a monstera. This is some bean. This is some bean plant. Oh, this is a groundnuts, peanuts. So yeah, the squirrel hasn't eaten them because I have devised a solution to keep them off my garden. And if you are having an issue of squirrels in your garden and you want me to share that, let me know in the comment section below. So in this bag we have some avocado here, and we have some bean, what am I saying, bean, I think because I started off with bean. This is some groundnuts or peanuts, seedling, as well as some amaranth. This is amaranth or banja or whatever. He has another name for it. I'm trying to, yeah. And in here I have some beans here. You can see some tiny beans there. Yeah, that's my gooseberry plant. Just giving me leaves and leaves upon leaves. Look, leaves there, more leaves. Yeah, this is also my other cacti. Yeah, jade plants. And here I have some mints. I have some basil in here, and that is Tradescandia tricolor. Also another Tradescandia tricolor. Yeah. And in here I have some tiny weeny avocado. And then in here is also another bean plant. You can see that it's flowering to get ready for some beans. And these are my tomato, the cherry tomato one. That's the tiny one here. And then I also have a bigger one there. That's the big tomatoes. And as you can see, that's my strawberries doing well. And more tomatoes. See all those flowers there? You're gonna produce, once they fall off, you're gonna turn into some tomatoes. Fingers crossed for a bumper harvest. Yeah. So in here, more tomato plants in there. Tradescandia tricolor. And these are some carrots. I'm gonna use the leaves for garnishing. This is more beans. Yeah, these are some seeds I'm drying here. More tomatoes. This is tomatoes. And yeah, this is some pineapple in there. And I have another pineapple in here. Some pineapple and pineapple there. And then this is our dasheen, looking glorious. And then this is my palm. My yams are in here. And then in here is my spider plants. And that's it. So I hope, oh yeah, and then the space that I made, so I just cleared this space. Check out my previous video. And as you can see, I have some beetroot here, couple of, yeah, some beans, and then in here I have some onions growing in there and some beans. So give me a thumbs up for like, and don't forget to share the video. Until then, it's a goodbye from me to you. Bye.